file types and permissions. The first character could be a dash, meaning it's a regular file. D would mean it's a directory. L would mean it's a symbolic link, like a shortcut. The next 9 characters are the permissions. Let's say broken into 3 groups of 3. First group, what the owner can do. Second group, what the group can do. Third group, what everyone else can do. Each group shows R for read, W for write, and X for execute. A dash means that permission isn't granted. So RW dash, R dash dash R dash dash means owner can read and write, because it would be RWX if they could read, write, and execute, but it's RW dash, meaning they don't have that permission. And then for the next RWX statement, in this case, it's R double dash, because they can only read, groups can only read. That second set is groups. And then the third set is everyone else, and they also have an R only with the W and X dashed out, so they can only read as well. So that information is critical for security and troubleshooting. We're just doing introductions here for orienting you.